Another interesting tool in Premiere Rush is auto frame. As you can see in this guide, the auto frame, the auto reframing the most important object in your clips. As you can see, it is not active now because we have to change the dimension from landscape to mobile version. If you select it to the mobile version, it cut other part of the clips, and as you can see, when you click that, we are going the mobile version, and all of those area will be deleted. Not deleted, but clip, I mean. But as you can see, if I play, the most important object in this clip is that sun. And auto reframing try to make center that sun in every frame of that clip. So select that clip. As you can see, it's active now, and just activate it. It tried to do its job in the best. As you can see, the sun is in the middle of that clip. Oh, in this frame, it's missed up, and you can go open it and adjust the frame. This window will be open, and you can click and drag and adjust the. As you can see, you can adjust your frame that our sun in the middle of that frame and apply. And as you can see, in that frame, we have the sun in the middle. But here it's need to adjust again and hit apply. And that's correct. Okay. And we have a motion tracking slower, for example, faster. Changing and panning and zooming the clip to the left and right will be fast. You can see it. Because as you can see. Okay. But if you want to slower mode, you don't see the panning, and everything is going smooth and slowly. Okay. See here, as you can see, we are slow framing there. Or for example, if you want to adjust it, you can adjust it in this frame again. Okay, as you can see, everything goes very smoothly there. But you can adjust it the faster mode, and that changing and panning, as you can see, it's fast, and you can see that. See? Okay, I like the slower motion tracking. That's good for me. Okay, this is auto framing that you have to be in a mobile aspect ratio.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.